Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel controls, sports steering wheel, blind spot monitor. Make a great choice today with the 2017 MX-5 Miata. The MX-5 Miata represents more than 20 years of a winning concept. A lightweight roadster that's purely about the experience between driver and machine. With the MX-5 Miata, exhilaration comes standard and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, cloth seats, rear defrost. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.